Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, hi friends. How are you? Welcome to the Study on Board channel. Today we will learn how to take square root in 5 seconds without calculator. This is the math techniques I am telling you. So let's start. Here you can see on the right all the square root I have written. This is 1 into 1, 1 into 1, or 1 multiply 1, 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square. As you know, all the square roots here I have written on the right. So let's start. Suppose I have number. Suppose you are in exam, you are given exam, and you have the number 6889, and there is no calculator. There you are not allowed to use calculator. How can you take square root without calculator? If you have a number 6889, so first see the last letter, it's 9. You can check in these square roots. Here is 9. 3 contains 9, means 3 into 3 is equal to 9, and you have to see the right number. There are two numbers and you have to see the right one number. 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. So you have to choose both numbers, 3 and 7, because 3 3 square root is equal to 9 and 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 49. So you can choose also 7. Okay, and cut it. Now 68 you have to check in the table. 68 lies between the 8 and 9. How it is 68 is greater than 81, greater than 64, and 68 is lesser than 81. So you have to choose the small number. 8 into 8 is equal to 64, which is less than 68. So you have to choose 8 here. Okay, and once you choose the 8, you multiply by it to the next number. It's 9. 8 multiplied by 9 is equal to 72. Yes, right? Yes. Now you have to see in these number. 68 is less or bigger than 72. So here you can see 68 is less number. 68 is less than 72. So you have to choose this number, less number. If 68 is bigger than 72, then you have to choose 7. So it means 83 is the square root of 6889. You can check also. 83 into 83 is equal to 6889. Okay, let's check another number. Suppose we have number 2916. So you have to check this number 6, and here we are 644. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16, and 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36. You have to check the 6 in this table. So 4 contains 6 in the square root, and 6 contains 6 in the right number. You have to check the right one. 6 multiplied by 6, 6 square root is equal to 36. So you have to pick the right one number, and here you have to pick the right you have to check the right one number, and you have to pick that number, 4 and 6. Okay, cut it. Now you have to check 29 in the table. 29 lies between 5 and 6. 25 is less than 29, and 36 is greater than 29. So you have to choose the small number, lesser number than 29. 5 you have to pick here, 5. And when you choose the 5, you multiply by it by the next number. 5 6 is 30. and now you have to check both these number. 29, you have to check 29. 29 is less than 30, so less than means the small number you have to select. It means 54 is the root of 29 16. Let's check. 54 multiplied by 54, 29 16, and its root, where is the root? Yes, here. Yes, 54. Now check another number. Suppose you have 46 24. First check the right one, number 4 in the table. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. You choose 2, and yes, here 8 multiplied by 8 is equal to 64, so pick the 8 also. Cut it. And 46, where is the 46 lies between? So 36 and 49. 46 lies between the 36 and 49. 46 is greater than 36 and lesser than 49, so you have to pick the lesser than number. 36 means 6 6 is 36, so you have to pick 6 here and multiply by its next number 7. So 6 7 is 42. Now check these both number. 46 is greater than 42. If it is greater, so you have to choose 8. It means 68 is the square root of 46 24. Let's check. 68 multiplied by 68, 68 multiplied by 68, 46 24. Yes, it is right. Now check another one. Suppose I have bigger number 1 0 2 0 1. So you have to see the right one in this table. 1 into 1 contains 1, means 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, so you have to pick the 1 and 81 here. You have to see the right number, right one. So 9 into 9 is equal to 81, so you can pick the 9. Now you can cut it. Let's check the one of 102. Where is the 102 lies between? If I write 10 square, it's 100, so definitely it lies between the 10 and 11. So I can I can pick the 10th, because 102 is greater than 100 and 102 is less than 121. So I need to choose. I have to pick 10th here. So I pick 10th, and it's I will multiply by the next number. It's 110. Now we have to see both 102 is less than 110, so it means if it is less, so I choose a small number here, 1 and 9, between 1 and 9. So it means 10 and 1 is the square root of 101. So it is the technique. You can use this technique in the exam when you are not allowed to use calculator. Thanks. Take care.